It's my birthday month.
2 times for the birthday, bitch. 3 times for the birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your birthday,
ready to snatch a nigga.
Fuck it up.
Já viu rico namorar pobre?
So, let's get into it. So I've already prepped my skin, my lips, everything's ready to go. Everything's nice and moisturized and hydrated. So now we're gonna actually get into the first product, which is going to be my primer. I actually been really liking this primer. It's actually the Milani primer, and it's a mattifying primer. So we're going to apply this all over the face. Now, one of my favorite parts actually is the foundation, honey. You're gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I think I'm gonna go in with this darker shade here because I'm gonna mix it. So I'm gonna go in here. I like to warm my products onto my skin, FYI my hand. So I'm gonna go in with just a little scrape. And the sea is very dark, but I'm gonna mix it. Just to lighten that up. And then I'm gonna actually go in with my favorite foundation. I'm gonna mix that. Time to get some more. Time to get some more. Get some more. And you see it's a little bit darker, but not too much. I'm gonna take my handy dandy beauty blender. I like to do a lighter coverage skin light finish, so I like to put it on the back of my beauty blender, and the beauty blender helps actually make it into more of a skin light instead of a cakey look. Okay, so now we're on to concealer. We're gonna go in with Warm Honey. This is the LA Girl Pro Warm Honey. I think it's like $3. It's so bomb. It is so bomb. And again, I like to put my products on my hand. It's just a thing. It helps warm up your product. I put a good amount. Go in with this concealer brush, and we are just going to highlight where highlight is needed. Spray. And we're just gonna let it sit for a little second, just so you know it can flow the way that it needs to flow. So we're gonna take our damp beauty blender and get to blending. Okay, so now we're gonna go into Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And this is in the number 35 in the color D. So it looks like this, cutest packaging. So this is the step that I like to personally do. And you know, it sets your face. But I do take a little bit on just a fluffy brush. This is a Wet n Wild brush. I got it for like $1. Little fluffy brush, and I'm just going to set what I call setting my face. And I'm just going to lightly dust it. Oh, honey, what is going on with this eyeball? My Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I've always wanted to use it. So we're gonna go in with this blush brush. Just gonna take a little bit. I don't like to use a damn beauty blender. That's not my thing. I like to press it into the skin. So I just take it and hit up under that under eye. Make sure I get in those creases, honey. I like to take the brush and just like that. We're just gonna make it. See, I can just whip it. Whip it, you know what I mean? This side, I'm over here like. And I'm just gonna take this fluffy like complexion brush, like a little mini powder brush from e.l.f. And wherever I didn't put any powders, where I'm gonna put my loose powder. Now I'm just dusting away that powder. Get whatever excess I had and brushed the powder away. I had to lick my lips, y'all. My lips are so ashy. It's so bad. Oh Lord, honey child. So now we're gonna go in with this palette. You can see medium to dark, like this. $5, you can't beat this. Like, this is bomb. I will recommend this in everybody's makeup palette. So we're gonna go in with this Bodyography contour brush. Looks like this. And we're gonna go in, I'm gonna go contour shade. And there's like a slight red undertone to it. So I'm just gonna take just a little bit of product, press it, and then I'm gonna sweep in the middle one, the sculpting one, sweep twice or 3 times. Dust any excess, and I'm just going to press. Bring a little bit more pop to my highlight. So I'm gonna go in with this Bright Set by Sephora. About time for me to get a new one. And then I'm just gonna press that into my highlighted area. And I'm gonna go in with my blush. So I'm gonna use this blush here. It's I don't know if you can see it, but it's a really pretty orange color with like a little shimmer. And I'm just going to, it's very pigmented, very pigmented. So I'm just going to go in and do a little tap just like that, and see, a little bit goes a long way. I don't know if y'all can see that, but a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just gonna smell. Lightly sweep it on the apples of my cheeks, and then I tap upwards. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Melania, I'm sorry, Coral Cove powder blush, and I'm gonna put that on top of my orange blush, just so I can kind of just fuse it a little bit. So now we're gonna go in with my highlights, and we're just gonna sweep. And don't be discouraged by this. I did not forget about this. It's gonna all come together, I promise. Just watch it to the end, and you're gonna see all of this is going to magically disappear. I'm gonna take my Mario Baddescu, this spray, and I'm just going to let it dry and let it hydrate, let it sit. And I'm also going to take another spray and go. I like to get the face really, really saturated. I like to let it dry and let everything sit in, and then I'll go back in and fix it up, dab it up, pretty it up, add anything that needs to be added back into there. Oh, D-Slick spray for oily skin. This spray is to die for. I'm telling you, it's worth it. We're going to spray this too on the face. Okay, at the corner where the lash starts, and go here, and then kind of create like a triangle. So now I'm gonna add my Big Shot mascara. I'm gonna put this on my lashes. I'm gonna let it get tacky, and it actually makes it a lot easier to apply lash. Looks a little intense on it. So crazy on camera, but I promise you it does not look like this in person. Spooling kind of. Okay guys, so I am back. I actually decided to do my lashes and the inside part of my inner tear duct, and the eyeliner that I actually go over my my shadow with that I put in my tear duct. I did that too off camera, and I got dolled up or whatever, you know. Like, get into this look, honey. It's like so simple but so cute. I hope you guys really, really like it. And so please make sure that you go like, subscribe, hit that bell at the bottom so you can get all of my videos when I post them, okay? And, you know, come see a baddie sometimes, you know what I mean? Don't let me stop, but thank you guys so much for tuning into my video today. Please follow me on all social medias, which is all the same at Royal P Beauty on all my social medias, literally, okay? I just gave you the details, like, what more do you want? But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, what you all want to see more of me doing, and I'm gonna give it to you guys. Like, I'm doing this for you. Like, and stay tuned in because I will be making a lot more videos very, very, very soon. Mwah.